here I am.
Hey, what's going down, musical trailer viewer? Welcome to the Sunset Strip, when LA was a beacon of rock and roll excess. Man, back in the day, if you had a dream and a decent amount of hair, there was no place else to be. Let me show you what I mean. Watch out for the dino! Here's our boy, Drew Bowley. Adorable. And there's our main gal, Sherry. When you are selling a musicale, you gotta introduce a love story and quick. Then introduce a love rival, Stacy Jacks.
Hit me with your best shot. Why don't you hit me with your best shot?
Then create a genuine sense of jeopardy and conflict.
Fire away.
It's not that kind of musical. We explore deep and thoughtful theater with complex characters and a challenging plot. Oh, who am I kidding? Montage! We'll build to a crescendo before the end card and jazz hands. Wait a minute! All right. Get back to watching videos of cats falling off stuff, or just book some tickets now.